When it comes to setting up a business, you're likely faced with a critical decision: choosing the right business structure. The two most common options are sole proprietorships and limited liability companies, otherwise known as LLCs. Both come with their own advantages and disadvantages. Before we go over them, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit any type of business. Now, a sole proprietorship is the simplest business form under which one can operate a business. It's not a legal entity, it simply refers to a person who owns the business and is personally responsible for its debts. As of last year, sole proprietorships made up approximately 73% of all businesses in the United States. The advantages of sole proprietorships are abundant. First and foremost, they are fairly easy and inexpensive to form. The owner is in direct control and receives all profits. This simplicity is a driving factor for the high percentage of sole proprietorships in the business landscape. But as the old saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. In a sole proprietorship, the owner is personally liable for all debts and obligations. If the business gets sued, your personal assets could be at risk. This level of liability is one of the most significant downsides of choosing a sole proprietorship. An LLC is a hybrid type of legal structure that provides the limited liability features of a corporation and the tax efficiencies and operational flexibility of a partnership. As of 2021, approximately 20% of businesses in the U.S. were LLCs. An LLC can be highly beneficial for many business owners. The main advantage is that members are protected from personal liability for business decisions or actions of the LLC. This means that if the LLC incurs debt or is sued, the members' personal assets are usually not at risk. Also, profits and losses can get passed through to your personal income without facing corporate taxes. However, forming an LLC is typically more complex than a sole proprietorship. It involves compliance with regulations and additional state-imposed annual requirements. Plus, there can be more paperwork depending on the jurisdiction. When deciding between a sole proprietorship and an LLC, you must weigh the benefits of ease and full control against the potential risks and liabilities. Each business situation is unique, and it's wise to consult with experts. Speaking of, if you want to learn more information about sole proprietorships and limited liability companies, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Our dedicated professionals are standing by to help you set up your new business ASAP. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having either an LLC or sole proprietorship? Which advantage is your favorite? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.